Characteristics of mid-century modern architecture. Introduction and core philosophy. Mid-century modern architecture emerged in the mid-20th century, during a time of rapid social, technological, and cultural change. Following World War II, there was a need for practical, affordable, and aesthetically pleasing homes that reflected modern lifestyles. Architects sought designs that were functional, simple, and connected to nature, producing buildings that were both visually elegant and highly livable. The philosophy emphasized functionality, minimalism, and harmony with the environment. Unlike ornate historic styles, mid-century modern valued open spaces, light, and simplicity, creating homes that encouraged interaction and comfort. Large glass walls, flat roofs, and open floor plans were used to blend indoor and outdoor spaces, allowing nature to become part of daily living. Mid-century modern demonstrates that simplicity can be innovative, timeless, and emotionally resonant. It balances practical living with aesthetic appeal, proving that modern design can serve both function and beauty simultaneously. Key characteristics of mid-century modern architecture. Clean, simple lines. A hallmark of mid-century modern is geometric clarity and minimalism. Buildings emphasize straight lines, flat planes, and uncluttered forms. Every structural element contributes to both function and visual composition, creating harmony without the need for elaborate ornamentation. These clean lines communicate calm and order while maintaining flexibility and practicality in design. Glass walls and transparency. Large windows, sliding glass doors, and expansive glass panels are signature elements. These features allow natural light to flood interiors and create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor environments. Transparency encourages interaction with nature, making the surrounding landscape an integral part of the home's experience. Flat or low-pitched roofs. Roofs are typically flat or gently sloped, emphasizing horizontal planes and a low profile. Flat roofs often provide terraces or patios and enhance the visual connection between the building and its site. This simplicity contributes to the clean aesthetic and reinforces the home's harmony with its surroundings. Indoor-outdoor continuity. Mid-century modern emphasizes seamless integration with the environment. Patios, decks, courtyards, and terraces extend living spaces outward, while landscaping is carefully considered as part of the design. This approach encourages outdoor living and creates a sense of fluidity between spaces, making nature an essential part of daily life. Open floor plans. Interiors are designed for flexibility and interaction. With minimal internal walls to allow multifunctional use, open layouts enhance airflow, daylight distribution, and social connectivity within homes. The resulting spaces feel expansive, inviting, and adaptable to different lifestyles. Natural materials and warmth. Wood, stone, brick, and concrete are commonly used alongside glass and steel. These materials bring texture, warmth, and tactile richness, grounding minimalist structures while maintaining elegance. They also enhance the visual and sensory connection between interior spaces and the natural world. Functional ornamentation. Any decorative elements serve a purpose. Whether structural or practical, built-in furniture, exposed beams, and lighting fixtures integrate form and function, reinforcing the principle that less is more while keeping the design visually interesting. Human-centered design. Mid-century modern emphasizes spaces that enhance human experience. Proportions, circulation, and ergonomics are carefully considered, creating environments that feel comfortable, intuitive, and welcoming. This focus on well-being ensures homes are not only stylish, but also livable. Notable examples: Eames House, Case Study House, No. 8, California. Charles and Ray Eames, 1949. A pioneering home that blends steel, glass, and natural materials. Its open floor plan and indoor-outdoor connection exemplify mid-century modern principles. Kaufmann House, Palm Springs, Richard Neutra, 1946. Known for its flat roofs, horizontal lines, and glass walls, the house integrates perfectly with its desert surroundings, embodying transparency, minimalism, and environmental harmony. Glass House, Connecticut, Philip Johnson, 1949. Iconic for its floor-to-ceiling glass walls and open interior, it demonstrates transparency, simplicity, and visual continuity with nature. It remains a reference point for architects worldwide. How it affects architecture. Mid-century modern continues to influence architecture today by emphasizing simplicity, human scale, and integration with nature. Its principles are evident in contemporary homes, urban developments, and commercial buildings that prioritize light, space, and functionality. The style inspired minimalism, sustainable design, and the use of natural materials to create environments that are both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Its open floor plans, indoor-outdoor continuity, and emphasis on human experience continue to guide architects in designing spaces that are livable, adaptable, and emotionally resonant. Ultimately, mid-century modern proves that clarity, elegance, and connection with nature are enduring design principles. Its legacy is a reminder that architecture can be functional, beautiful, and deeply human, creating spaces that remain timeless and relevant decades after their creation.